Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that holds your albums. Make sure you have storage space. Once signed in, open Google Photos on your phone or computer and go to Albums. Now, tap an album you want to back up. You're going to export or sync it. Make sure Backup and Sync is enabled. This controls automatic upload. If it's off, toggle it on so new photos will copy to Google Drive Cloud storage immediately. Once you've opened the album, select the three-dot menu to reveal export options. You can download the whole album as a zip so you have a local copy. If you prefer cloud redundancy, share the album to another Google account or add it to a shared library. This duplicates images across accounts. For precision, pick photos manually and use download or add to library. This keeps control. Make sure you watch for file size. Large albums may take longer to process. To finish, verify the backup. Open the Downloads folder or the Target Cloud account and confirm thumbnails and full resolution files are present. Once done, organize the local zip or replicated album into folders so you can find images later. If items are missing, make sure Backup and Sync is on, check your internet connection, and confirm you have enough storage. Then retry the export or reselect the photos. A quick reupload usually resolves incomplete backups, so don't panic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.